The Excel lookup function searches for a piece of information in a particular row or column of our spreadsheet and returns a corresponding value located in the same position of a neighboring row or column. So let's consider an example that works with the company ID, company name, telephone number, email, and website. Just as we would search for numbers in a phone book, if we knew the name of the company we were trying to reach, we would scan the company name column and then examine the corresponding row and extract the information we desired. Now the lookup function requires 3 arguments. The lookup value, so that would be the name of the company in the example that I just gave. The lookup vector, so this is where you scan for that value. And then the result vector. So depending on which result we would want, maybe that would be the telephone numbers, the emails, or the websites. Now as a first example, let's find the phone number of dog control. Now it's common that we store the lookup value in a cell so that we might change it easier for future use of the formula. So let's type that here. Now to find the phone number for dog control, I'll use the lookup function, press tab to autocomplete. The lookup value, so the name we're going to be looking up, is dog control, located in this cell. Where are we going to look for dog control? Well, that's going to be in our lookup vector, which are these cells here. And our result vector, since we want our phone numbers, it will be the value stored in this telephone number column. And when I press enter, you'll see that we get the phone number for dog control. Now let's say rather than our phone number, we would like to access their email instead. In that case, we would simply need to change the result vector to the column of emails rather than telephone numbers. So there we have the email for dog control. Now as a final example, let's say I have the company's email, but I need to know their company name. In that case, we may look up the lookup value of this email, for example. So here is the email that I have. I'm going to look for that email among this list of emails. And the result that I want to obtain is the company name. And there we've returned full circle to dog control.